Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we are talking about iPad OS. So most of the Android tablets, for a screenshot you just click the power button and the volume up button, but in some iPads it doesn't work. So basically a simple solution is to on assistive touch. That you can see this, it's like a square on the screen. You can move with your finger. Let me just show you how to on it. You go to settings, go to accessibility. After going to accessibility, press on touch, go to assistive touch. Then if I off it, you can see the logo disappears, and if you on it, it comes back. So you on assistive touch. After doing that, you go back, press here, go on devices, go on more, and then there's an option called screenshot. Click this, and as you can see, we have just taken a screenshot of a screen. So I hope that you found this helpful. If you did, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.
Take it for a ride, let me take it off your mind, 'cause you know it's a season.